This is Prabhashri, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. So in the old sum we are explain about the Lorentz series and then we have find the value of A and then B. The value of A is -3 and the value of B is 8 and then we are substituting those values in the equation, then we will get the equation like this. Now we are proceeding with the Lorentz series, finding the Lorentz series. So the given function is f of z equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 z by 2 plus 1 power inverse minus 5 by 3 into z by 3 plus 1 the inverse. Now we are going to find out the binomial expansion for this function. So we are rewriting the function is in the form of 1 plus x, 1 plus the variable. So 1 plus z by 2 we are going to write this. So 1 plus 3 by 2 into 1 plus z divided by 2 power minus 1 minus 5 divided by 3 1 plus z divided by 3 power minus 1. So rewriting the equation we will get like this. So now we are going to apply the binomial expansion formula here. So we will get 1 plus 3 divided by 2 into 1 minus x. So nothing but z by 2 plus x square. So z square divided by 4 minus up to etc. Leave this as it is. Next we will get minus 5 divided by 3 and then 1 minus x. So z by 3 plus z square. The value of z square is z square divided by 9 minus up to etc. So continuing this we will get the function like this. Now we are going with the next sum, which is nothing but modulus of z is greater than 3. We know the value modulus of z is always less than 1. So here we are getting modulus of z in this side, the greater than side. So now we are going to divide this function through modulus of z. So we will get 3 divided by modulus of z, which is less than 1. So in the function now we are going to take z as a common thing. So in the function we are going to take z as a common one. So we will get f of z, which is equal to 1 plus, here we are taking z out, so we will get 3 divided by z. So 3 divided by z. So taking z out, 1 plus 2 divided by z minus 5 divided by z. So 1 plus 3 divided by z. So now we are going to write in the same format, which is equal to 1 plus 3 by z into 1 plus 2 by z power minus 1 plus minus 5 divided by z 1 plus 3 divided by z power minus 1. Now we are going to apply the binomial expansion for this function. We will get, so 1 plus 3 by z into 1 minus x. So 2 by z plus x square up to etc. minus 5 divided by z and then 1 minus 3 by z plus up to etc. So now we are going with the third condition, which is 2 less than modulus of z less than 3. So now we are going with the third one, 2 less than modulus of z less than 3. So according with the 2 less than modulus of z less than 3. So now we are going to take this term and then this term. So combining both the term. So 2 divided by modulus of z, we are having 1 as here. So we will divide the modulus of z, 2 divided by modulus of z less than 1 we will get. Now here we will divide that 3. So modulus of z divided by 3, then only we will get less than 1 as an answer. So in the series we are going to take 2 by z in the first one and 3 by z by 3 in the second format. So f of z equal to 1 plus 3 divided by, in the first one we are going to take 2 as a common. So taking 2, so we will get z by 2 plus 1 and in the second one we are going to take 3 as a common. So minus 5 divided by 3 divided by 3 into z by 3 plus 1. So now we are going to take the function in the numerator. So we will get 1 plus 3 divided by 2. In this equation we are going to take z as a common. So we will get 2 divided by z. So 3 divided by z into 2 1 plus 2 divided by z power minus 1 minus 5 divided by 3 into z. So 3 divided by z and z divided by 3 as a common we will get. Now we are going to expand this function. So we will get 1 3 by z 1 minus 2 by z plus up to etc. minus 5 divided by 3 into 1 minus z by 3 plus z squared by 9 plus up to etc. So that's it. Thank you.